Coding was never obvious to me. I'd never had any of those experiences like, growing up. Like, I just knew like, okay, I was good at school, like I can get good grades, like I do my work, but I didn't really know anything else beyond that.
I was a cognitive science major. It was really just out of a kind of curiosity. I love like video games and, why not learn how to code?
I liked video games a lot. I liked tinkering with my video game consoles, but I didn't really know what computer science was. So I didn't realize those skills were actually a field that you could learn about. Separately, I was interested in kind of biology and medicine. I thought these were kind of two separate worlds, my academic interest of biology, my kind of hobby interest of computers. And then when I got into college, I learned about this cool new field called bioinformatics, which was kind of the intersection of these two. I learned how to code on the spot, but in the context of the biomedical application. So it's kind of a cool merging of these two halves of myself.
I took like a statistics class. It was like R. It was fun for me, but I think not for a lot of people. I think I didn't really see the potential of it. It was fun to like do something different and just like learn something that isn't like pure neuroscience or like pure biology.
I wasn't too sure about like teaching myself using online resources. I really wanted a class to teach me, and somehow there was. That was the first class that I really learned how to code.
I was a graduate student. Honestly, it started with me taking a gene in Excel that was Oct 1. Excel continuously changing it to October 1st. I went through the whole like pipeline, then at the end realized that Excel messed everything up.
I started with a notebook environment where you can just run line by line and just check your outputs. Eventually, when you're happy with everything, you can stitch it all together into functions or classes or whatever you want.
Try to use like a book, like step 1, page 1. R is a programming language that's used for statistical math, stuff like that. And I realized that didn't work as well. It just made it easier to use it for an actual problem. I just figured it out. I thought it was best to do it that way.
Yeah, slow baby steps, basically, yeah.